Finally, you can now add rulers and guidelines inside of Adobe Express. Let's just dive in and show you exactly how you can do this. So we're here on a new screen. We've just got a blank page. There's two ways if you can do this. You can either press Shift and R, and that's going to turn on your guidelines, or you can come over to the File menu and go down to Rulers and Guides and turn them on. Now, to add a guide, you come up to the top here. You can see you get this little plus button, and it's going to give you the accuracy of this. So let's say we want to go in the middle there, and we want to do 500 on this one. Come down to 500. And there we go. We've got those now in the middle. Now, to remove a guideline or to move it, you just come over, hover over it. You can then move the guideline up or down, or you can come over to the edge on the edge of the ruler here and then click delete if it's one you want to delete. So hover over it, click it or select it, and then press the delete key. So you can now align things. Let's turn one on and show you what it's like. So if we add one in there, and then if we come over to brands, I'm just going to come over and grab one of my logos. So we're going to grab this little guy here, and now we can snap to the guideline. You can see to go on the edge there, it turns purple to line it up. So you can see when you're snapping it to the guides. Let's say we wanted to put one in on the top here as well. So let's say we wanted to put it in here. So we can see as we hover over the edge of the image, it's going to align those. Let's change the color. Let's change the background color to something different. Let's see if this helps. See that? So you can see there, they go from blue, and as we hover over, as you can see, we line those up, and as we line them up, they turn that little bit purple when you're aligning your images. And then if you wanted to, you could just drag that to shrink it, all the usual stuff. Go give it a go now. Rulers and guidelines available inside of Adobe Express. Thank you very much. Bye for now.